Do you want to know the fastest way to make money online simply by clicking? All you have to do is click and you can earn $4 to $12 per click automatically. This method I just find out has unlimited earning potential. You could earn enough money to pay off all your debts, help your family, or even get yourself a nice place to live and relax if you just follow all of my steps in this video. If you keep watching this video, I'll teach you exactly how to do it and lead you every step of the way, and more. I'll give you some extra bonus techniques that will help you make double or even triple what others earn. So don't miss out and stay with me until the end of this video. But before we go further to this video, welcome to the Best Finance, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I don't want to make this a long video because I know most of you here want to start earning money online right away. That's why the first thing I'll show you are payment proofs from people who have been using this brand new method. As you can see, a lot of people have earned from this method, and they receive payments ranging from $1 to $4 for every click that they make. When I scroll down below, you can see all of these people who have been paid so far, and the list is quite long, and I want you to earn this amount as well, so I strongly advise you to keep watching. Right now, I'll show you the website that we'll use to make money. This website will pay you 20 cents for each click. So basically you'll be paid for every click you get. It's that simple. As you can see, we'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. You might be wondering how it works. When a visitor clicks on your affiliate banner, or link on your site, or in an email, you'll earn money. This website will pay you both for the first initial click and also if the visitors complete the process. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. The best part is that anyone from anywhere with any type of website can join this program and start earning money within minutes. I'll show you exactly how to do this later on, so that you can earn money online simply by using this website. So if this website pays you 20 cents per click, they'll pay you 20 when you get 100, 40 when you get 200, and somewhere around 76 when you get more than 300 clicks. Just imagine if you did this every day and got more than 500 clicks. You can promote this website via search engines postings and internet forums, tweets posting, links on Facebook groups, or wherever else. All you have to do is send a visitor to this website and they'll pay you for each click. Now you might be wondering how I can withdraw my earnings from this website. All earnings are paid through PayPal at the end of each month for the previous month. All payments are made in US dollars and the minimum payout value is $50. To withdraw your earnings, you must enter your PayPal email address. Let's go to this website, EntireWeb.com. This website is a search engine that is very popular and is used by millions of people all over the world. EntireWeb currently handles millions of searches every month, and is a trusted partner of internationally acclaimed search engines. EntireWeb.com works similarly to Google in that you can use it to search for anything. Simply type whatever you want to search for in this box and hit enter. For example, if you want to search for how to make money online today, simply type that here and hit search. Now, EntireWeb.com will show you various results that are all related to making money online, or whatever you've searched for. As you scroll down, you can also click on images to see some photos related to the topic. This website also offers searches for videos and news, so there's a lot of things you can search for here. This website is similar to Google, but the big difference is that this website will actually pay you money for every click that you get. So not only can you search for anything here, but you can also earn money at the same time. The way to make money on this website is through affiliate marketing, which involves sharing a special link with others and earning money when they click on that link. They do this because they want more people to use their search engine, which is why they're willing to pay affiliates to do this kind of work. So the next thing we need to do is actually create an account on this website. But don't worry, because the sign-up process is 100% free and it is actually available in all countries around the world. I'll now show you step by step how to sign up for this website. The first thing to do is click on the screen button right here that says Create an Account. You will then be redirected to this page. To finish the sign-up process, click this box to agree to their terms and conditions. Then click this green button to continue with the sign-up process. After you sign up, you now have your very own account on entireweb.com, and you can start earning money from this website through affiliate links, as mentioned at the beginning of this video. The website that I'm about to show you will help you get more clicks and earn money from the entire web. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. The website is called Herculist.com, and it basically helps people advertise to thousands of people every day for free. What's nice about this website is that it's been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide for almost 20 years, and they give you 100% real traffic, which means real people who will visit your website. To begin using Herculist, simply click on the Get Started button and you'll be taken to this page where you must fill out some personal information. When you're finished, don't forget to check this box and then click on Create Account. After filling out the form, you'll be taken to this page where you must choose which membership package you want to get. As previously stated, there is no cost because they offer a free membership. After that, you can start using Herculist to get more clicks for your affiliate link across the entire web. Once you're logged into your account, simply click on this button right here and you'll be taken to this page where you can submit an ad. Scroll down a little bit and click on the regular mailer. You'll now need to provide a subject line, an affiliate link, and an ad body for the subject line. You must type something that will catch people's attention, such as, "Will this new search engine completely replace Google?" And then you must fill out the affiliate link right here. Finally, you must fill out the ad body, where you must type something catchy or something that will stand out. And remember to use keywords such as free, new, and easy. Once you have completed those steps, simply click Submit Ad and wait for money to flood into your PayPal account. It's that easy. Simply do it every day to realize the full potential of this revolutionary strategy. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.